Welcome to Travel Tales, where every journey tells a story. Where we turn your travel dreams into reality, without breaking the bank. Ever thought you couldn't afford to explore the stunning beaches, vibrant cities, and lush jungles of Southeast Asia? Think again. Today, we're revealing the ultimate guide to backpacking Southeast Asia for under $500. This isn't just a trip, it's a life-changing adventure on a budget. Stick around because we're about to blow your mind with tips that'll make you pack your bags right now. Don't miss this, your dream trip is closer than you think. Let's face it, traveling can be expensive, but what if I told you that Southeast Asia is one of the most affordable destinations in the world? From Thailand's pristine beaches to Vietnam's bustling markets, you can experience it all without spending a fortune. The secret? Smart planning, insider tips, and a little bit of hustle. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to stretch your $500 into an unforgettable journey. Ready to transform your travel game? Let's dive in. First things first, why Southeast Asia? It's a backpacker's paradise, offering everything from cheap street food to budget-friendly accommodations. The region is packed with cultural experiences, natural wonders, and adventures that won't drain your wallet. But here's the catch, without the right strategy, you could end up overspending. That's why we're here to guide you every step of the way. Whether you're a first-time traveler or a seasoned backpacker, these tips will save you hundreds of dollars. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's address the elephant in the room. Is it really possible to backpack Southeast Asia for under $500? Absolutely. With careful planning, smart choices, and a willingness to embrace the local lifestyle, you can make it happen. This guide will cover everything from transportation and accommodation to food and activities. So, if you're ready to explore one of the most beautiful regions in the world without breaking the bank, keep watching. Your adventure starts here. Budget-friendly accommodation. Let's start with where you'll stay. Accommodation can be one of the biggest expenses when traveling, but in Southeast Asia, you'll find plenty of budget-friendly options. Hostels are a backpacker's best friend, offering dorm beds for as little as $5 a night. Not only are they cheap, but they're also a great way to meet fellow travelers. Look for hostels with good reviews on platforms like Hostelworld or Booking.com. If hostels aren't your thing, don't worry. Guest houses and budget hotels are also widely available, often costing between $10 to $20 a night. In countries like Vietnam and Cambodia, you can even find private rooms for under $15. Pro tip, always negotiate prices, especially if you're staying for multiple nights. Many places are willing to give you a discount if you ask politely. Another great option is couchsurfing, where you can stay with locals for free. It's not just a way to save money, it's also an incredible cultural experience. You'll get insider tips on the best places to eat, hidden gems, and local customs. Just make sure to read reviews and communicate clearly with your host before arriving. Finally, consider volunteering through platforms like Workaway or Worldpackers. In exchange for a few hours of work a day, you'll get free accommodation and sometimes even meals. Cheap eats and street food. Now, let's talk about food, because no trip is complete without indulging in the local cuisine. Southeast Asia is a food lover's paradise, and the best part? It's incredibly cheap. Street food is where it's at, with dishes like pho in Vietnam, pad thai in Thailand, and nasi goreng in Indonesia costing as little as $1 to $2. Not only is it affordable, but it's also delicious and authentic. Markets are another great option for budget eats. You'll find everything from fresh fruit to grilled meats at a fraction of the price you'd pay in a restaurant. Plus, it's a great way to try new foods and support local vendors. Pro tip, look for places with long lines, it's a sure sign the food is good. If you're staying in a hostel or guest house, take advantage of communal kitchens. Buying groceries and cooking your own meals can save you a ton of money. Plus, it's a fun way to bond with other travelers. Just make sure to try the local specialties too, you don't want to miss out on those flavors. Finally, don't be afraid to haggle. In many Southeast Asian countries, bargaining is part of the culture. Whether you're buying food at a market or ordering a meal at a street stall, a little negotiation can go a long way. With these tips, you'll eat like a king without spending a fortune. Affordable transportation. Getting around Southeast Asia is easier and cheaper than you might think. Buses and trains are the most budget-friendly options, with fares as low as $1 to $2 for short distances. Overnight buses are a great way to save on accommodation while traveling long distances. Just make sure to book with reputable companies to ensure a safe and comfortable journey. Another popular option is motorbike rentals, especially in countries like Vietnam and Thailand. Renting a bike can cost as little as $5 a day, giving you the freedom to explore at your own pace. Just be sure to wear a helmet and drive cautiously, safety first. For longer distances, consider budget airlines like AirAsia or VietJet. They often have sales where you can snag flights for under $20. Keep an eye out for deals and book in advance to get the best prices. Pro tip: travel light to avoid extra baggage fees. Finally, don't forget about ride-sharing apps like Grab or Gojek. They're cheaper than traditional taxis and offer convenient options like motorbike rides. With these transportation tips, you'll be able to explore every corner of Southeast Asia without breaking the bank. Free and low-cost activities. Now, let's talk about what to do once you're there. Southeast Asia is packed with free and low-cost activities that'll make your trip unforgettable. From hiking to temple hopping, there's something for everyone. In Thailand, for example, you can visit stunning temples like Wat Arun or Wat Pha for just a few dollars. Many temples even offer free entry on certain days. Nature lovers will be in heaven. Countries like Laos and Cambodia are home to breathtaking waterfalls and national parks that cost just a few dollars to enter. In Indonesia, you can hike volcanoes like Mount Batur for free, just make sure to go with a guide for safety. Pro tip: always check for local guides who can show you hidden spots for a fraction of the cost. Beaches are another highlight of Southeast Asia, and the best part? They're free. Whether you're lounging on the white sands of the Philippines or snorkeling in the crystal-clear waters of Malaysia, you'll have plenty of opportunities to relax and unwind. Don't forget to catch a sunset, it's the perfect way to end a day of exploring. Finally, immerse yourself in the local culture. Attend free festivals, explore local markets, or take a cooking class. These experiences not only enrich your trip but also give you a deeper understanding of the places you're visiting. With these activities, you'll have an unforgettable adventure without spending a fortune. So, there you have it, your ultimate guide to backpacking Southeast Asia for under $500. From budget-friendly accommodations to cheap eats, affordable transportation, and free activities, it's entirely possible to explore the stunning region without breaking the bank. All it takes is a little planning, some smart choices, and a willingness to embrace the local lifestyle. Remember, traveling on a budget doesn't mean sacrificing experiences. In fact, it often leads to more authentic and meaningful adventures. So, what are you waiting for? Start planning your trip today and make your travel dreams a reality. Southeast Asia is calling, will you answer? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow travelers. Your support helps us create more content like this. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a video. We've got plenty more travel tips and guides coming your way. Got questions or want to share your own budget travel tips? Drop a comment below, we'd love to hear from you. And if you're ready to start planning your Southeast Asia adventure, check out the links in the description for more resources. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Safe travels.